term? Ball, no. Well, the alternative is pole boy. It's up to you. Alright, so just step forward. I'll get you to hold the pole with 2 hands. Perfect. That's all you have to do. I'll do the rest. I'm going to climb up there. Okay, we're going to use the ropes as well. Can I ask you, sir, to hold this rope for me? Perfect, you'll do. Hi, how you doing? What do you do? Where are you from? Nice chat. Man the hood, can you hold this one? Hello, mate. Where are you from? Laughter, okay. He doesn't want to say Quebec, all right. Yeah. He's holding on to a kid. How about you, mate? The guy I originally chose. Can you hold this one? How's it going, buddy? Are you having a good day? I'll fix that. We need one more strong, handsome man. Sir, help me look for one. Kid, help me out. Folks, there's 4 more guys. Let's give them 4 times the volume. Oh, we're stopping? All right. Folks, guys on the ropes, my life is going to be in your hands. So I'm going to name you after my favorite tennis heroes. Ladies and gentlemen, let's make some noise for Andre Agassi. Roger Federer. John McEnroe. Serena Williams. All right, my life's going to be in your hands, so I need you to please use 2 hands at all times, yeah? 2 hands. Second thing, stay in line with your buddy. Third thing, put a little tension on the ropes. Not too much, it's not a tug of war. Pull that one a little more, a little less over here, a little more over there. All right, let me check this way. A little more over there, a little less over there. Let me double check. This will have to be good enough. That should be okay. Now I do have lots of guys helping me. I also need a nice lady. Do you mind? What's your name? Mandy? Really? That was my name when I was in prison. Don't laugh at that. That's not fun for me. Mandy, Mandy's the last person I choose from the audience. So you can all relax. She's a lady. She deserves a nice big warm welcome. Come on, folks. Mandy. Mandy, I need you to choose a number between 4 and 6. 5 is correct. I've got 5 balls. I need you to throw them up there when I'm up there. Are you a good throw? No? Don't worry, I'm a good catch. They love it. All right. I need the balls. Mandy, I also... Watch out for a sec, mate. I also need this. Now, don't throw this. If you throw it, this man will die. Did you hear that laughter, sir? That's for you passing away. This thing I made myself. Tennis racket, tennis ball, spikes. I don't know, it seems cool. Just be careful with it. I'll just loop it over. You don't have to touch it. Just grab this here, and you can hand me the whole thing as one piece, all right? Are you nervous? Don't be nervous. It's my first time too. You can just pick it up right there. All right, folks. Now this show is about to get dangerous. No, oh, my phone's ringing. Just kidding. This show's about to get dangerous. Not for her, not for you, but for these men. I want these guys to trust me, so I'm going to show them right now that I can juggle this. If you want to see it, Toronto, say yeah. If you want to see it at top speed, say yeah. If you're going to put a 20 in my tip bag, say nothing. Good question. All right. If you do happen to put a 20 in my tip bag, I'll give you one of my trucker hats. I handprint these all by myself in a factory in China. I do them myself. All right, can you throw me 2 of the balls, please? Mandy. Perfect. Are you ready, sir? Don't be nervous. I'm a professional. Accountant. Here we go.
Sorry.
Oh, my balls got dirty. Here we go. That's all I do. Get ready for it, folks. Here we go. Toronto. Come on. Come on, people. Ready, catch. 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 Come on, give her a big clap, folks. All right, can you raise your hands? Everyone, hands up. If you don't do it, I'm going to kiss you with the tongue. No, you just hold the rope. Everyone else, hands up. All right, all together, one big clap. That was great individually. Ready? One big clap. Together. That's it. All right, keep it up. I'm gonna take a running start. Why are you speeding up? I'm not sure what you're expecting. Okay, guys on the ropes, from now on, my life is in your hands. So you have to watch me. If it looks like I'm falling on you, I am. If you see me point at you, pull the rope just an inch, all right? If you see me do this, loosen the rope off just an inch. Pull this one a little. Pardon me, sir. Sorry. Don't look up. It's laundry day. Hold up. Now guys, I should mention, this is the first time I've done this trick since the accident. But don't worry, this time, I went to the toilet before the show. Pull this one, sir. This one. A little bit more. Stop. This one. Stop. Thank you. That's the end. Over there? Cool. Are you ready? Can you come over here a little bit? Folks, my name's Alakazam. Thanks for coming to see my show. It's great to be here in Toronto. If you want to stay in touch, follow me on Instagram, Alakazam Show. If you want to stay in touch, check out my OnlyFans. Stay in touch. Right, come closer. Show me the first ball on the count of... Just do whatever you want, lady. Number 2, go for it. Number 3. Number 4. Last one. You deserve a big clap. Pull this rope. Yep, that's good. Can you pick that up for me? Mandy, just raise it up so everyone can see it. Folks, I'm going to finish this show with my very best trick. The human helicopter with the racket and the blade. Before I do that, it's my second best trick. 5 balls, 20 feet high. I know it's not much, but none of you can do it. Pull this one. Alright, hold it right there. Pull this one. Alright, don't move, guys. Here we go. Second last trick. Clap fast. It doesn't last long. Thank you. I'm kidding. No. Don't clap until I catch them all. Alright. Check this out. This is my impression of a giraffe. You're sick, but I still like you. Folks, give me a moment. I want to do something real quick. It's not every day when you're a performer that you get such a crowd like this, and some moments are worth remembering. So folks, I take a video. I send it back home to my parents so they can see that I'm doing all right. Buskers 2022, come on! It's an iPhone 4. I'm killing it. Yeah. All right, can you bring that over? Just try not to stab these men. Hold the pulsar. All right, let go. Step back. Folks, I couldn't have done any of this without Mandy's help. Let's give her the biggest round of applause yet. You take a seat, thank you. All right, let me get my balance. Folks, I just want to say thank you to every single person who's stopped to see my show here today. My name's Alakazam. This is my show, Tennis, the Menace. And I come all the way from Sydney, Australia. I started performing when I was just 17 years old. And now, I'm 19. I choose to be a street performer because I think this is honest work for an artist. You get paid what you're worth by the people that watch. There's no other job like this. So at the end, I stand here, I ask you to come forward and support my small business with a tip. Most people put in $400. Maybe not. But maybe for a life-threatening stunt in 2022, the paper money would be a fair ticket price. Make some noise if you agree with that. I know not everyone can afford a 10 or a 20, but some of you definitely can. And those tips mean the world to me. And if you do, like I said, if you do put in a 20, I give you one of my trucker hats to say thank you for your generosity. And if you don't have any cash, don't worry. I've got PayPal, e-transfer, and I also accept credit cards. The code on the front of my suitcase will help you out. All right, pull the back rope a little bit. A little bit more. So just tighten this one up. Tighten it up. Tighten it. Yeah, more. All right. A little bit more. All right, folks, I need your help. I gave you my show. Let's just get these two guys to release and step back. Whoa. Okay, but don't leave. If you leave, I can't get down. Go further back. I'm not very good. Pull this rope an inch. Yep. Help me out, folks. I gave you my show. Now, I give you my best. Give me your best as well, Toronto. Come on. my hero. Leave a bill with a 0. Let's give it up for these guys. Come on, folks. Thank you very much, fellas. You can let go now. Thank you so much. I got this. Folks, I'll be standing here in the center, my yellow tip bag, coming up and say good day and show your support. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Have a great day. Thanks very much. Thanks very much. 20 gets a hat. Thank you. Thank you very much. Yeah, 20 gets a hat. Thank you very much. Yeah. I'm just Sydney. Yeah, thank you. Thank you very much. Cheers, brother. Thanks a lot, folks. There you go. Thank you very much. Thank you. Yeah, man, no problem. There you go. Thank you very much. There you go. Thank you. Thank you. Thanks, brother. Here you go. No worries. Thanks a lot. There you go. Thanks a lot, folks.